ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातन्नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om. Welcome to the last talk in this series. Suchi, Subichitra, Subhogamaya, Sumana, Sugandha, Suvasa, Palanga Manjumani Deepajaha, Sababidhi Sakala Supasa. While describing how Ramchandra ji and Sita ji lived in the palace, pure, free from all impurities. Subichitra, very, very exceedingly, marvelous, beautiful. Subhogamaya, exquisite, luxurious, exquisite and luxurious. So wonderful it is. Sugandha, with lot of beautiful parimala. And Subasa, fragrance made out of fresh flowers. Palanga Manjumani Deepajaha, and they are so beautifully furnished. Beds and cushions and everything. Deepa Jaha, such beautiful lighting. Sababidi Sakala Supasa, in all its absolute extensive beauty. That was a description which he gave for how Ramchandraji and Sita ji lived in the palace. Continuing, Tulsidaji writes, Bibidha basana upadhana turai Chira pena mridu bisada suhai Tahasiya ramu sayana nisi karahi Nija chabirati manoja madhukharahi Tesiya ramu sathari soye Shramita basana binu jahi na joye Matu pita parijana pura basi Sakha susila dasa arudasi Joga vahi jinahi prana ki nai Mahi sovat te ram gosai Pita janaka jaga bidita prabhavu Sasura suresa sakhara ghuravu Ramachandupati sobai dehi Sovata mahi vidhi bhama nakehi Siya Raghubir ki kanan jogu Karma pradhan satya kahalogu Kaikaya nandini mandamati Katina kutila panukinha Jehi Raghunandan janakihi Sukha basara dukhudina. We will read the two more lines from the 92nd Chaupai. Bhai dina kara kula bitapa kutari Kumati kinha sababisba dukhari Bhayavu bishadu nishadahi bhari Ramasiya mahisayana nihari. Tulsidaji says, how Guha, Nishada Raja, how he perceived Ramchandraji and Sita ji lying down so peacefully in kusha grass, in a bed made with kusha grass and soft leaves. How they are sleeping and who are they otherwise is beautifully described. Bibidha basana upadhana turai. They are all actually, how are they equipped with beautiful, sheets on the bed, beautiful coverlets, bedspreads. Chira pena mridu bisada suhai. All the pillows and cushions and everything, it is made of what? It is so soft. How soft it is also he is described. China pena. China means milk. Pena means the foam on the milk. When you boil the milk, you have that foam, is it not? That soft is the cushions. That soft are the pillows. Bisada sukhai. And it is so charming, so beautiful, and it is so sukhamaya. Tahasiya ramu sayana nisikarahi. It is in that beautiful palace that Sita ji and Ramchandra ji, they are used to sleeping with all such wonderful materials, furnitures. Nija chabirati manojam duharahi. He says Rati and Rati and Kamadev, they were feeling so humbled, seeing the beauty of the palace in which Ramchandraji and Sitaji used to sleep. They also probably felt a little jealous. Think, that beauty was that palace. Te siya Ramu Sathari Soi. In such a lovely palace they were seeing, and now look at them. They are lying down on a pallet, on a grass, leaves. So beautiful here also. What should be the beauty when they were sleeping there? So simple, so cute, so uncomplicated, so peaceful. Nothing matters. We say, no, I have given this example also earlier. One little baby, during the day, the weight creates noise and pulling everything, whatever, wherever, just pull down and then put everything in the mouth. Isn't it so much? One person should be there behind all the time. 24.5 by 7.5, if I may say so. Okay, we will reduce the time it sleeps. While that baby is sleeping, the father and mother says, look at that fellow. As though nothing he has done, peacefully sleeping. He looks so beautiful. Isn't it? Similarly, Ramchandraji and Sitaji were sleeping so peacefully. It was a sight to behold. Shramita basana binu jahi na jaye. They were so exhausted walking such a long distance. And they are sleeping uncovered themselves. Isn't it? There is nothing they carried. They did not even cover themselves. And look at the sight. I can't bear this sight of such wonderful people sleeping on grass, leaves. Matu pita parijana purabasi sakha susila dasa rudasi. These are the people, the couple, whom Matu, mother, Pita, father, Parijana, relations, which includes everybody, the other other two mothers, and the brothers, and all the relations. Parijana, Purabasi, entire citizens of the city. Sakha, very, very wonderful friends. Susila, wonderful companions. And Dasa Arudasi, male servants and maid servants. Dasa Arudasi, Jogavahi Jinahi Pranaki Nai, and all of them. Meaning what? There is nobody left out. He has actually included everybody. All of them, Jogavihi Jinahi Pranaki Nai. To them, Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji and Sitaji are like their own life itself. They loved them so much. Mahisovatate Rama Gosai. That same Rama, that wonderful Rama, the beloved of all, Shri Ramchandraji and Sitaji, sleeps on the ground. Pita Janaka Jagabidita Prabhavu. And what about Sita? You talked about Rama. What about Sita? Sitaji, whose father is who? Janaka. Jagabidita Prabhavu, who is famous in the entire world. Isn't it? Sura Suresa Sakhara Gurai, whose father-in-law, King Dasharatha, we are talking of Sita now. Sitaji, whose father is Janaka, who is well known in the whole world, and Sasura, Suresha Sakha. Sasura, father-in-law, King Dasharatha. And who is he? Suresha Sakha. Sakha friend. Friend of what? Suresha. Suranam Ishaha. Indra, the lord of the Devaloka. Indra, celestial beings. Indra, who is the best friend? Raghuravu and Ramachandupati so Vaidehi. Ramchandra is the pati of Sitaji. Bhagavan Ramchandra himself. Think. And Sovatamahi Vidhi Bhamana Kehi. That Sitaji, along with that wonderful Ramchandraji, both of them are lying Sovatamahi. They are lying down on the ground, on the grass. Vidhi Bhamana Kehi. Fate is so inscrutable. Inscrutable fate. And then, very many people think fate is something written by somebody far above the heaven. Vidhata has written. Please be very careful and understanding this. Fate is another word for our own karma phala. Please remember this. Fate, destiny is not written by somebody else, not even by God. It is written by our own karma, and fate is karma phala. Why do you think we give samskaras to the children? So that the children develop good thoughts, the children develop good conduct, and thereby get accustomed to good thinking, good attitude. The one who develops good attitude, for him what comes out is only good thoughts. And the good thoughts alone translates into, graduates into good actions. Actions by itself has no result. Actions born out of good thoughts, and good thoughts born out of good attitudes born out of samskaras. Therefore, when you say fate, we should clearly understand it as nothing but karma phala. Yatha karma, thatha eva karma phala. Therefore, beware. Be careful on your karma. Because vidhi is nothing but karma phala, and nobody is spared. Now see, Ramchandraji, Sitaji is not spared. Who are you and me? Shivaji is not spared. Who are you and me? Krishna to we all know, isn't it? But none of them become sorrowful. Why? They don't identify with the Sharira, Mana, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, because of whom thoughts come, actions come out. Think. Karma pradhana satya kahalogu. And karma pradhana actions are actually supreme for us to lead a beautiful life in this world. Therefore, beware of your actions. Be careful of your thoughts. Mend your attitudes. Realize nobody is responsible for my actions. Nobody is to be blamed for the fruits of actions. Therefore, beware of your attitudes. Beware of your thoughts. And therefore, you also should understand karma phala you have to go through. Now tell me, Swamiji, that means Ramchandra Sitaji has done some papa, that is why they are undergoing. There is a slight difference. This karma phala, attitudes, thoughts, everything belong to this particular level, this particular layer of existence. To you and me it applies. Right? And therefore, from that standpoint alone, Guha could think. He will not understand that Bhagavan is beyond all that. Now he doesn't have any attachment towards Sharira, Mana, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara. Therefore, he has no problem. Guha is not taught like that. Therefore, he gives this answer. What? Karma pradhana. Actions are extremely important because it brings us to karma phala. Less does he know that it does not belong to Ramchandraji as such. It is then what? Avatara Mahima. Having taken a human avatara, he wants to live a human life, and therefore all these things he had to go through. Another very important point. Bhagavan Ramchandraji has come for a purpose. En route towards facing the challenge, Ravana, these are all some things which also becomes a lesson to you and me that don't get attached to all fanciful things. You may have to face the other side of the issues. There will be lot of problem. And what does Shankaracharya ji says? Sahanam sarva dukkhanam apratikara purvakam Chinta vilaparahitam satitiksha nigadyate. Sahanam sarva dukkhanam. This sahishnutvam titiksha is the teaching for you and me. It is not a problem for Ramchandraji or Sitaji. This we must remember. Kaikaya nandini mandamati kathina kutila panukinha. What a foolish lady Kaikaya Nandini is. Who is that Kaikeyi? What a foolish lady is it? She is, and she has brought so much of, she has played a very cruel mischief on Ramchandraji and Sitaji. Jehina gunandana janakihi sukha abasara dukhudinha. Sitaji, consort of Ramchandraji, it is a time, sukha avasara, a time for enjoyment, a time to live beautifully, happily. Such young, tender age, just married recently. How happy they should be. Dukhudinha, she has given such amount of pain and suffering. Continuing, Bhaidina karakula bitapa kuthari. Kuthari, wicked woman, as though she has axed the tree itself. Beautifully growing tree, she has axed. Such a wicked woman she must be. Kumati kini sababesva dukhari. Kumati, in her foolish thinking, kini sababisva dukhari, she has brought dukkha to the entire universe by sending Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, Ramchandraji, Sitaji and Lakshmanji to the forest. Bhayavu bishadu nishadahi bhari Ramasiya mahisayana nihari. Bishadu, the Vishad Raja, became so distressed, so pained, his sore, as though seeing Ramasiya mahisayana nihari. He saw the way Ramchandraji and Sitaji is sleeping. He became so distressed. Now comes another very most beautiful section where Lakshmana gives a beautiful teaching to Nishad Raja, and in the process it is a teaching for you and me. Very beautiful learning. And this expression of Lakshmana, this we may say discourse of Lakshmana to Nishad Raja is called Lakshmana Gita. We have several Gitas in Ramayana, and this is called Lakshmana Gita. Gita means knowledge. Gita, not only Sangeeta Geetam, it is knowledge also. And in Ramayana, there are many Gitas which we will see time and again. And here is called Lakshmana Gita, the beautiful teaching of Lakshmana to Nishad Raja, which we will take up in the next series. We will conclude. Why? Because that's a very beautiful portion which I don't want to split. So, we will conclude here for today and take Lakshmana Gita directly in the next series starting on the 1st of February. Alright. Thank you so much for all your support and inspiration for me to grow within. Thank you. सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय, श्री सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय।